Dear friends, in this video I'll show you how to install a theme and customize that theme. After watching this video, you will be able to install a theme and make a professional WordPress website. So let's get started. To install any theme, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Scroll above. Now click on Add New. Now click on Search Bar and type Astra. Astra is our theme name. Now hit enter. Here you can see this is Astra theme. Now click on install. It will take some time to install fully. After installing, click on activate. Now you can see your theme fully activated. To make your theme handy and work easily, you have to install a plugin. To install any plugin, go to plugin settings. Now click on add new. After that, search for Astra. Astra. Here you can see this is Astra plugin. Same way, click on install now. After installing, click on active. Now you can see Astra plugin successfully activated. Now this plugin comes with lot of design. You can choose any of those design and you can apply those design for your site. Let's click on see library. Now it will suggest you some editor for your design. I think Elementor is best. Click on Elementor, then click next. You can see it comes with some design. You can choose any of these design or you can search for any specific design. In this case, I'm gonna search for a design name, agency. Yes, I'm gonna choose this one. Click on that. Now it will show you the demo design, how your site will be look like. To active this design, you have to click on import site. It's installing. After completing installing, now click on done view site. Now you can see your site is live and this is your site will be look like. And by default it comes with some demo content. You need to edit those content, those page and everything here as you like. To edit this content, you have to go to your site dashboard. Click on here. This is your site dashboard. You can edit anything, any page, any content, any post category from here. To edit any page, go to your page setting. Then from here, then you will see the pages have created. Now you can edit any page from this edit button, or you can edit your page from live. Like to edit home page, click on home. Now from above, click on edit with Elementor. By using Elementor, you can easily design or edit any page. To edit anything, like suppose we want to edit this page, this section, click on this section. Now Elementor will show you the editing option. You can type from here or from here. Simply select those text and click delete. Now you can write anything. Just type this is my first WordPress site. This is my first WordPress site. So easy, huh? You are typing here and it's showing you live. Same way, you can work with any content. You can delete anything. If you click here, it will show you here and you can edit live. Not only this, you can change any icon, photo, everything. Suppose you want to edit this section, you can delete this image and you can import your own image by clicking this plus icon, and you can go to media library. You can search anything from here. You can import this icon. Click this icon and click on insert media and you can see it's changed. To finally save your content, you have to click this update button. Hide your Elementor section by clicking here. Now you can see this is your site. It's very easy. I don't need to tell everything. Just work with this section, work with this editing button, work with Elementor. You will understand everything. You can easily edit your content, but what if you want to edit your header or footer or logo or this menu bar? To edit this option, you have to go to customize from here, then click it. Now you can see every option here got a blue pencil icon. If you want to edit any option from here, from header or footer, just click that part. Suppose here I want to edit this section, click on this blue pencil icon. Now you can edit anything. Not only this, just work with this, you can edit any layout from here, like where you want to put your sidebar, your footer area, your content area, your header area, site identity, everything you can edit from here. You can edit site background color, foreground color, typography, like content size, font space, that kind of things. You can also edit widgets menu from here. You can set different type of buttons from here. I hope you got everything. After finishing your work, just click this cross icon. Now I'll show you how to create a new page. Suppose you want to create a about page or contact us page. All you have to do, just click on this new button, and after hovering this, you will go to option called page. Click this page button. Okay, now set the title of your page, like our services. You can easily edit your page by clicking here, edit with Elementor. Just click this plus icon, then choose any template from here, like we want to see this template. Now drag your desired option, like if you want to set a heading, drag this option to here, type your settings, type contact us, then once more click this plus icon. Suppose you want to put your image here, drag and drop this image option here. Now choose your image from here, choose your image, just input the image you want to import here. Click this icon, click this image and click on insert media. Your image will be imported. By this way you can edit any content, any page so easily. And finally, after doing that, click on update. Your site will be live. If you don't want to import manually or edit manually, then click this file manager icon, template icon. Then you can choose any of this design. You will find some beautiful design here. Just click any design, then click on insert. So to close Elementor or hide Elementor, click this icon. This is all for today. In my next videos, I'll discuss about some important features of WordPress website. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.